Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's good? What's good, gang? Good. It's a great day today. We have it's some great news today. We got our accounts back, so we're good. We're chilling today. So we can get again, we're looking for lower prices. I'm gonna have to show y'all the fit though. The shirt. I'll have to show y'all the shirt. Or the sweatshirt. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can't see it yet. I'll say it later. So we took out London high. We now traded a little bit lower. I wanted to see us kind of like shoot up here and then reverse. I'm thinking New York reversal profile and looking to take down this sell side here on a higher time frame. I'm gonna take out this sell side here. Now, what I'm looking at was like the range that I was pulling originally on the hourly chart. I pulled this range. So I pulled from this high to this low, or it was this one, but it was lower. So coming up here, but then I saw this one on the 15-minute chart, which I think is nice. And so this is a premium market. So that's why I was thinking potentially we could come up here. Now, if we fail to get up there and then just displace, well, then you're just going to take that. That's what we're going to take. So, and then we're looking for down here. I believe this is the high of the week. I don't believe we're going to trade up higher and start taking out some of this sell side. I'm sorry, some of this buy side up here. But if we do, we do. But again, I'm looking for down here. Here's a daily rejection block again. So we're looking at that and price to draw down here. So that's what we're looking at. I think honestly, if I was talking with my friend the other day, I think, yeah. So on the regular trading hours, we took the weekly high, right? So I think that's something to notice, right? We took the weekly high on the regular trading hours. On a normal trading hours, you're not going to see that, or electronic trading hours, say normal. But we don't take that high out. Oh, that's not what I was talking. What was I talking about? I'm actually not sure what I was talking about. We didn't take out the previous week's high. I don't know. I don't know what I think it might have been. I was talking about the daily high. I think there was something else. There, yeah, because that doesn't make any. Look it out here too. Anyways, I'm looking for lower prices. That's what I'm looking at. So looking at lower prices, and we'll trade down here. Now, let me show y'all the shirt though. Let me show y'all the sweatshirt. Y'all let me know what you think. Y'all see it? Y'all see what that says? Right before right before Valentine's Day. Y'all see that? Hold on, let me make it big screen. Hold on, let me make it big screen so y'all can see. Hold up. Let's see. Look at that. Let's see. Dang, cold hard theory, bro. It's a cold world outside. That's what I'm pretty much saying. I'm saying it's a cold world outside. Okay. Nobody hurt me, y'all. I'm good. I just thought it was a cool sweatshirt. I seen that. I thought it was a cool sweatshirt, so I bought it. Then another one was green, but I don't remember what it said. I don't remember. But yeah, looking for lower prices. About 11 minutes till market open. We don't trade up higher. It's showing weakness. Now, what it could be using as well, like don't get me wrong, this could also be the range that it's using. Here to down here. We went up to a premium market. I just saw this one. I used this one. So this could easily be the range as well. This is also a mitigation block. High, low, lower high. This candle extended out in time, so we hit that as well. And we took out London high. So that is an option. But we got our stuff back. We're just wait for displacement, wait for it to trade up, and then we attack the jaw. It's like every other day. Nothing changes. We have our standard deviations of the midnight opening range. So this is a right now. Oh, so right here. No, I didn't have that outline. This right here is sell side. Right here, sorry. Why is this low though? That should be Asia low. Why is that not there? Oh, it's not just a minor sell side. So we have London low here. Sorry, I'm tripping. I had this on my other one. I was like, why is that low not there? Or I just want to put sell side. Sell side liquidity is there as well. I might just change it to blue, so I know what it is. Because if I see red, honestly, I'm thinking Asia low. That's a London low right there. I mean, I can see that on this chart. And then there's just a minor sell side. Let me just put that on my chart. I didn't have that one outlined. It's Thursday. This was what? Feb 5th. Cooling. About to fix something on my other one. Nah, that's fine. I also graded the volume. I also graded the volume imbalance on a daily chart again. So this volume imbalance in here, I just graded it just in terms of looking for places I could potentially take partials at. And so I had that on this other screen. So we'll see what we're gonna get here. But obviously I want to see lower prices. I need to talk to my friend about making the mixes. I can start playing some music in the background, just lightly. Y'all can hear something. It's not just bland, you know, just some chill vibes. I mean, I guess I could low-key play. Nah, I don't think I can though. Because sometimes they'll say it's free, and then as soon as you start, yeah, no, I ain't gonna do that. I'll just ask him to like make some mixes for me and stuff. Okay. How's y'all day going? It's morning or it's afternoon, night. How's everyone? So that could have been a range here. I think on the hourly chart, I think we traded up into the, yeah, we EO fed it on the, that's what I call it. Because at the time I was learning Italian. That's why I called it EO fed. EO is I, Italian. So I was like, oh, EO fed. That's why I call it that. But just institutional order flow entry drill. We did that on the hourly chart. So that might be all that we need. It might be all that we need. Again, just wait for displacement towards the downside. That tells us everything we need. This data low. We did have SMT here as well in those lows. It's importante to look at all of. Again, remember how I was telling you on, it's like my favorite thing. this would be immediate rebalance, right? So if we were expecting higher prices, this is the hourly chart. For the 15-minute chart, what do you see? Ooh, crazy. That's so wild, right? This is a breaker. Every time, I'm telling you, immediate rebalance, that setup is there every single time. Won't change. It can't change. It's an algorithm. Not saying you win on every single one, but if you notice that if it's immediate rebalance, breaker or mitigation block is going to be there 100% of the time. Put this out here so we know. 15. I'm really trying not to have all this stuff on here. Low key, I probably should have nothing on here. Because I already have charts that have that. I low key should probably have nothing. And just draw my levels out. Not so you guys can't see what's there, but just so it's blank. I think I'll probably start getting back into. Or after today, I'll do it. Also, we're respecting the old sell side liquidity low from the 4th. So from the 4th, there's a daily low. I don't know. Yeah, daily low that was set there. Hit that right here as well. Why you map out your daily highs and lows. And like right now we're bouncing it. This is all inside the daily. So I ended up grading it on another screen. We got about like 4 minutes left. We'll be chilling. Old heart theory. I've been out. So, well, I'm gonna get that. I need to get that soundboard. I can stop talking about it. Every time. I need to put like some soft there. Bang it every single. So even us going up here one more time and running these and then showing displacement, that would be fine for me as well. If it doesn't want to get up here because of this institutional order flow entry drill on the 15-minute chart, I'd be okay with that. Doesn't have to happen either. Like if we come up here, we respect this, and then we like displace lower, and then like yeah, I'm in there. I'm in there, but I think we do have a pretty good open range gap. Right now it's like 64 handles, so got some time there. Or we got some space is what I'm saying. So it'd be a discount gap. So now look, oh, you guys can't see this. That's why I need to can't see this. So the price would be up here. So now we have a high, low, higher high, breaker block right here. Right. So on the regular trading hours, we have a breaker block. And right now we'd be below it on regular trading hours. This is why I have to use this. This hit there, but I wouldn't be surprised if we try to come up here. Now, if we come up here and then reject, let's keep this on here. About keep this on here, like that one. So maybe we'll see us run up in here. I'd like to see us trade up into that and take out this liquidity and then reject, something like that. Because we have that on the 5 chart. Again, who would pull this one? If you weren't looking at the regular trading hours, you wouldn't even see that. I wouldn't see that at all. I don't know. So I'm not just going to take it as it slams up in there. That's not my model. My model is to look at this and then see the reactions off of that. So it's 9:30 now. We're getting here. 1 minute chart actually. So we didn't trade up to consequent encroachment of that. Consequent encroachment would be probably do it. I don't know what level. Right here. 24,773.50. Again, why I'm never in a rush to get into a trade, because I know it's gonna it'll give a retracement, right? So I'm not worried about missing the trade if it goes down here or does this or does that. Like, I just waiting for the that one. This one. And the highest I think I would see it go, like if it's gonna go higher to retrace, would be up here. But again, it may not even need to do any of that. Again, no first presented fair value gap, so we just waited. When it does that and it displaces and it shows that, this gives us a wick here. This gives us a nice fair value gap. Like, let's have this buy side liquidity outlined. This is a low resistance up here as well, inside of higher time frame. Let's just do minor buy side there. You guys probably can't see that, it's too light. There's minor buy side here. You gotta remember we're trading up into on the regular trading hours. This is a 5-minute breaker on the regular trading hours. Again, we're not interested in trying to chase anything. Don't need to be first. It'll give it to us. This is pretty much what happened yesterday. Did the whole thing, consolidated, and then it just, it'll give an FVG. I want to see it trade up higher first. I want to see a Judas swing, then break down. That's what I personally want to see. We've definitely hit constant encroachment of the gap now. Let's look at yesterday's range. Go to here. Let's look at this. I'm gonna try to look even cooler. We have there to there. That's how the breaker block on the buy side up there. Now this could be a failure swing here, and this could be a mitigation block if we show rejection there, like a lot of rejection there. Could have already done what it needed to do, but we're just waiting for displacement. That's all that we need. Displacement. Once it does that, then we're in there. If it doesn't do that, then there's nothing for us to do. But I personally would want to see us try to dig up in here one time. Displace, but we don't, showing weakness after already hitting the breaker. Let's go. What's good? Ah, I know who that is now. I know who you are now. What's good, broski? How you doing? For a second, bro, I was like, who in the world? And then I saw the thing. Yeah, I know. What's good, man? We're looking for lower prices, bro. I wanted to see it trade up here, honestly. I want to see us take out this buy side. Unless, so it may not give it to us, right? We're looking at the regular trading hours. Yeah, bro, every day is I told you, bro, it is. It is. You see how we EO fed it on the hourly chart up there, bro? We EO fed it up here on the hourly chart, so we may not even get up there. But again, all we're waiting for is displacement. Like I'm telling you, just wait for displacement. You ain't gotta be the first one in, man. It'll give it to you. It'll give it to you. Like right now, if it displaces here after hitting this and doesn't trade up higher, I'm in there like swimwear. I'm letting you know that right now. I'm in there. All these wicks don't matter to me. All these wicks have no bearing on for me right now. If we show displacement. That's all that we need. And then we can take it down to here, which is a London low. But we need displacement, fellas and ladies. Looks like we're getting that signature right now. It's okay. I don't want to see it take out this yet. So for me, nothing. Nothing. This is why we just wait. We just be chilling out here. I wish I could really hear the music I'd be vibing to when I trade. I want to see us. I want to see us trade a little bit higher, but we may not get that. We don't want to see a slow, like, dribble lower either. I think it's, I mean, it's still going to go lower. My thought process is coming down here, but you have to wait for that signature for it to show. I mean, it's definitely coming down here. We have a low resistance liquidity run down here on ES. So it's just holding. It's fine. Again, displacement, 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 displacement. This wick, I don't care. It's not there. If we show displacement, it's not, it's like it's doesn't exist in my mind. So it's 936 again. We have no first presented fair value gap yet. So we hit, failed there. Got nothing to do yet. We did hit the rejection. Did we hit the rejection block? No, we failed to hit that. Again, this is looking heavy, but I think it's not, like, I'm not getting in off this order block. Now, if we had created a fair value gap, showed displacement, and it came back up into this, I would take this. Why? Because it'd be a breaker slash mitigation block. I'd take it. But I'm not just trying to get in just because I think it's going to go lower. It just needs to have that signature. Once it shows the signature, bang, we get in, and then we just enjoy the ride. That is what we call the displacement, right? So as long as we can create a gap and not like completely close this in, which we keep doing, nothing there. I know on a 30-second chart, if you see this, what do we see? A mitigation block or a, I don't know if I can go on that. Can I go on it on this time frame? No, I can't. Okay. There's going to be a mitigation block there or a breaker. Did immediate rebound. But I personally want to see it on a 1 minute chart. So slow grind trading is not what I want to see. We took London high already today on both of them. I don't even care if we create a fair value gap below this low. Like, it don't matter to me. I just need to see that get created. It doesn't matter. I don't care where. Just do it. And again, this wouldn't be my final target. It would be down here. So, need to see that right now. Let's look on the 5 minute chart just to see what we're getting. We hit the rejection block. Came down here on the 5 minute chart. We close below this low. Be pretty good, actually. So I'm not going to take this as an order block unless it creates a fair value gap below it and then comes back up to it. That's how I mean, trust me, I want to just sell this as soon as it trades up into it, but I need to see my signature. I want to just like immediately sell it and go down there. But I'm going to wait. because it'll give a retracement. This isn't just where it's going. It's got a lot of range. Trust me, I wanted to just like immediately as it hit this, sell it. Nice entry, but certain things I just want to see. Just don't like, scream down there like you did, like you've done every other day, just never, and then give a retracement around here. Just let's get us something here, man. Let's get us a nice like little retracement before we just start selling. I mean, look, nice entry though, right? Nice entry right off the order block, but I wanted to see something else. Like, I don't want to see us. I want to see us actually create this, kind of stall a little bit, and then trade up into this. Boy, we can do that in the next 40 seconds, a minute and 40 seconds, and not just like keep tearing lower. I'm in there. That's what I want to see, because I believe that we're not. We may not get that. This is the first presented for value gap. May not give it to us. May just run lower like we've done all the time. But again, this order block entry, OP, right? That was, we called that, but it's just not. I can't do that. It won't look like any of my other trades. It won't look like any of them. So they all have to look the same, right? I'm not gonna sit here and just like, this looks good, let me just sell it, right? It wouldn't look like any of my other trades. It'll give us a retracement. Now will it give us a retracement up here? That I don't know. I hope it does. Not looking like it, but I mean, I would love that, by the way. Do that. We have 2 minutes. So there. I want to put a buy stop up here. Put a sell limit there. And then I'm looking for buy limit down. So I'm in right now. This is what I'll be looking for. That's it. If I lose here, I lose, but we'll readjust if that's what I need to do. But it's above the mean threshold of that water block. Okay, so we're about to take an L here. Oh, this is the trade that I have set right now. Make sure they're all running. Yeah, this looks like it's going to be an L. Oh, that was pretty quick. So just look right now. Okay, so trade back up into this 5-minute volume imbalance. It might want to come up here again before, but we'll see. So we get. So this is what I was saying yesterday in my trades. Like, I either win very quickly or I lose very quickly. It's one or the other. I don't trades don't last very long for me. That's what they wanted. It was like an hour yesterday. That was what? $400, I think. 372. We'll see what we're getting here. I mean, the stopper on a 5-minute chart, I don't necessarily like that. It could want to. I don't think that this is the low end of the range, but we'll see. Is displacement? Right. So I'm just looking at what's on the higher time frame right now. So with this, what I don't want to happen right now is to just get confused and get chopped up in this, because there's no need to get chopped in this. But we did take out sell side and then show displacement away from a higher time frame, daily volume imbalance, and then us trading up into a discount. I mean, to a discount, go up to a premium. So we might actually. I'm gonna take it one more time. I'm actually gonna take a buy up to here. I think that we should. If it trades back down into that gap, I'll take it back up to a premium range. So I'm gonna do that. Put my sell limit there. And I'm gonna put my stop here. So what I'm looking at is I think I just sold in the wrong area. Here's a breaker block. This is right here. This would be a breaker block, taking out sell side, expanding above this. Now, how high can we go up above that? I'll probably take some partials off as we're trading above it. So I could have just been on the wrong side. And then want to see us trade up into a premium market. So don't want to see displacement. Don't want to see a retracement here. I want to see us just continue to trade higher. Because if that means that I'm gonna get chopped up here. It doesn't do that, essentially. So as we get halfway, I'll take one off. If we can do that. I'll take one off there. That's my concern right there. It's us not following through this and then getting the chop. Because that's what I initially wanted to see, right? That's what I'm worried about right now, if I'm being completely honest with you. But we'll see what we get here. That's my concern right now, that we reject right here. So we do have the algo or the macro coming soon, but this is a little bit concerning for me, in my opinion. We get chopped up here. Because that was my initial thing. And do exactly what I was looking at before, trade lower, and just get demolished today. But hopefully not, but see. Yep. So it did exactly what I wanted to see in the beginning. So I went up here, rejected this. I have to wait one more time, and if I lose here, then I just lose. Um, that was what I was afraid of. I was trading up in here, taking out this minor buy side. I think I got into a little bit too early. This was a. I'm not looking at this as coming back down to here and trading higher. I'm thinking this is still going to go lower based off of that rejection that we got here at the 5-minute regular trading hours breaker. But we'll see what we get here. I think that's like what, $800, almost 1,000. Yeah, that's a lot. And my thing moved up too. So we'll see here. I only got one more trade, and if it doesn't pan out, then that's just what happens today. Cool. See. I just need to be patient here because I've been chopped up twice. And I'm thinking this is now, like, if we can create a fair value gap below here, I think this is now when I'll be looking to do it. And then we'll take it down to here and there. But it needs to show that. Because it came up to the breaker on the 5-minute chart. What I was looking for. And yeah. Right here. It came up to where I wanted to see it hit. And then I, got a little confusion. It's all good though. So I'm still gonna look lower, and if I can't get it lower, then that's all. I'm going to have to call it a day. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. Would this be the no. No. I'm still targeting down here. I need to just wait. And once it can do it, if it gives it to me, then I'll take it. The thing that is also a little bit concerning to me is that we're in a deep discount, but I still believe that we should draw down towards these lows. Yeah, I mean, we came down to discount, but I'm still not believing this is gonna go higher at this point. Once I saw this and its reaction from the level that I was expecting, we ain't going. Shouldn't. Okay. Mm-hmm. look on our time for real. So this is OTE down to the range. Fair value gap here. With this up close candle there, we've shown that reaction response there. I think just being down into a discount of the range, it may want to go higher, but I don't know. I feel like it's not doing that. I feel like higher time frame, and I feel like higher time frame, we definitely hit a nice level with the daily volume imbalance, but I'm still thinking that it's here. If we can create a fair value gap below this, I'll take it. Not then. Does this seem to be a failure swing here with the fair value gap there? Take that out, trade ultimate down there. That's what I want to see. Got to do that. And I'll take that. If I could go back and change it, it'd be waiting for this and then what we're getting right now. That's what if I could go back and change, but can't do that, but can look at what's happening right now. And I think this is what's of importance, but I'm just hoping that at least gives a fair value gap or some type of trade back up into this. Then I'll take it. That'll be the last trade today. I can't take anymore. On myself. And finally, and I'm so anything like that, any trade up into this, I'm okay with taking. See if we can trade up a little bit higher. If I lose here, this is the last one for today. Can't take any more trades. Limit here. And then we'll have to call it and chalk it a day. Mitigation block. We're going to take here, mitigation block. We're just going to look for the sell side to get taken out. Which is, I think that's London low. Back to this one. Should be. So, want to see this trade lower. This should have been the original entry, not the ones I've taken before. But if I lose here, then this is what we get. But so I have the mitigation block there. Barrier swing after hitting the higher time frame breaker on the regular trading hours. And then this is what we have. This is the last one. This might just get smoked today. We just might have that happen to us today. You know what? It's okay. Part of trading. It is okay. Macro. I think I might just be selling in discount and I'm just getting smoked right. I was selling in a premium. So. No, selling in a discount. I said it right. This is the macro. Yeah. Yep, that's the last trade for me today. Yep. So that's it for me today. I can't take any more trades. So I think I just got caught up in the bottom of the range. This happening today. I got what minus 1400. Obviously that's not a great performance, but it is what it is. We'll come back on Wednesday or come back on Monday. But I just think that I think I'm trying to sell into a premium market right now. I'm in a discount. Because this range and this range, I think that's just where I'm getting chopped up in. Because it shouldn't be like trading back up and doing that stuff. And my stop loss would have never been up there. Maybe it was a little bit too close in terms of inside of this, like, but I don't think so. It should have reacted and responded differently. So, yep, that's all about for today. I took 3 trades, and that's all that I can take. There's no. I'm gonna hop off. I gotta do my end of day stuff. I gotta record some content, and then I will catch you guys on Monday. I think. On Monday. So Monday's a bank holiday, so when I catch you on Monday, we have FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Is the second 2 p.m. So the next time I'll catch you guys on here will be on Thursday. Next Thursday. Yeah, Thursday and Friday we have advanced GBP. Yeah, so Thursday and Friday I'll catch you guys. That'll be next time. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope you guys have a great day. If you guys find something in here, you can always let me know on Instagram or even in the Discord if you're in there. Again, appreciate you guys for always being on. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.